Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2F versus a Vivo V17 Pro. Vivo V17 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor with a 8GB of RAM, while the Oppo Reno 2F comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8GB of RAM, and we have a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo V17 Pro versus a triple cameras on the Oppo Reno 2F. So let's see how much a difference between the Oppo Reno 2F versus the Vivo V17 Pro. So like always, I'm gonna boot these devices up at the same time. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. And Oppo Reno 2F is faster, while the Vivo V17 Pro is still taking some time, and now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference when it comes to booting up speed. Both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display with no notch, no hole, full view display. Because both phones comes with a pop-up selfie camera, but we have a single camera on the Oppo Reno 2F versus a dual cameras on the Vivo V17 Pro, which is a very unique feature in the pop-up selfie cameras. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there launching the settings. And that seems like a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F mic lock. Again, that was about the same on both phones, very similar system based application performance on both phones, and that seems like faster on the Vivo V17 Pro. First win for the Vivo V17 Pro. So moving on with some more application like My Files, and that was about the same on both phones. Maybe Vivo V17 Pro is little bit faster there. Opening up the calculator, and that is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F. So launching some games application, first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and Vivo V17 Pro is faster, followed by the Vivo Oppo Reno 2F. Very small difference there. Opening up the Subway Surfer, and you can see full view display is awesome on both phones. Again, Vivo V17 Pro is beat the Oppo Reno 2F in this application. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again seems like Vivo V17 Pro is faster, but no, Oppo Reno 2F is little bit faster in this application, and you can see about 1 second difference here, not a huge difference in this application. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, default cameras application, that is little bit quicker on the Oppo Reno 2F. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 Pro versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 2F. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and that is little bit quicker again on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Vivo V70 Pro, and the scrolling and zooming in and out is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So next on the list is the apple.com, and both phones is on same Wi-Fi network, and that is really quicker on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by again Vivo V17 Pro. Scrolling is very smooth. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. Both phones comes with 8GB RAM, so very interesting to see who is better in the RAM measurement, because both phones comes with the 8GB RAM, and that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 2F. Very shocking result, like always in my last speed test video. Oppo Reno 2F is not showing me a very good performance in the RAM management. Again refresh on the Oppo Reno 2F calculator, again refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush, that is again refresh on the Oppo Reno 2F. Seems like that Oppo Reno 2F is not optimized right now with the Android 9 Pie. I hope some software updates it will fix. but right now RAM management is very bad, but the Vivo V17 Pro is looks like best in the RAM management. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 Pro in games apps loading times, but the system-based application it is about the same speed on both phones. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17 Pro, but it is very bad on the Oppo Reno 2F. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2F versus a Vivo V17 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.